There we go. Okay, Bob, in a minute, I'm going to have an interview with you, bud.
In a what?
Interview. Okay, so that anchor apparently is supposed to stop this thing blowing away in a hurricane. Whether that's true, it seems a little bit ridiculous. But, let me see, brother. You want to say something to the world out there? How's it going, buddy?
Doing pretty good.
Good. Great to have you.
Yeah, it's always great to be with you.
Just drove over. Bob and Penny just drove over from Tampa to spend our last day here, and then we're all heading back to Tampa tomorrow.
It's worth the drive.
Yep. So
You guys have a good day?
excellent. We've had a great week.
Cool.
Just loved it here. So okay. I'm gonna turn it off for now. This is brand new.
With the 2 P's.
Of course.
2 P's.
Okay. So what are you?
What are we going to say?
Yeah.
Well, the 2 P's in a pod are taking a walk down St. George's Street in St. Augustine and just checking out all the stores.
Okay. So
Depending on
There you go.
let's start moving then.
Okay, we're going. I know that place is it's on this side. It's on this side somewhere else.
Get in front. I'm not filming the back of your head. Wow, it's busy today. This is probably the last day of the holidays. So we're just walking down St. George's Street in St. Augustine. We've been here a week and we haven't seen any of the lights. This is when they have the million lights. So, these places up to the side. Live music. Let's see. Where's they going? Okay, they've stopped. Okay. While the ladies are in the store shopping, I'm just going to walk down this little alley so we can see the Castillo di San Marcos. I think I've said this before, but I mean, this fort has been under I think it's about 7 different flags. We've got England, France, Spain, Florida, the Confederacy, the Union flag. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but there's the fort. It's over there. Of course, now we got the Florida flag. Turn around, go back. This is January the 2nd. Yeah, 2nd. We're leaving tomorrow, the 3rd, and it's like 65 degrees for the high today and like 40s for the low. There's Eileen.
If you have requests, we're on the bar. Soap shop? Soap?
I know. I'm liking these numbers that you can buy from your house. Oh, we don't know what number we're going to be. Right. But they would quite cute.
Oh, yeah.
Scream at me if you're turning off into a store. Huh? Is this the chocolate place?
Yeah, white stone.
Every time I see that flag, I think of Marusa.
They weren't.
There's the crepe place coming up. Jean-Pierre Khalifa. Mimi's Famous Crepes, and we had a crepe here the one time. Oy vey, here we go again. Obladi, oblada. All right, I'll join you. Continue filming. Oh, isn't. Oh boy, I'll tell you. This is where my son Chris almost choked to death in here. Chris, I don't know if you'll watch this video, but if you do, this is where we had to do the Heimlich maneuver on you to get the hot dog out of your throat. Here's the shop for my sister. Shopaholic. It's for you, Lizzie. Faux paws. I like that. And here's Colombia. One of the busiest restaurants here in St. Augustine.
Alright, we're just gonna stop it.
Swimming upstream. This is new, all these barricades here to stop people driving in here and running people over. Ooh, medieval torture collection. St. George's Road. See a lot of Italian flags down here.